Most of us never even think about the pH level of our body, but it is time to give it some thought. A proper and well-balanced pH is crucial to your overall health. Diseases and disorders cannot take root in a body whose pH is in balance. Here are the top 6 home remedies to fix an acidic body. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. To fix your acidic body and ensure a balanced pH level, apple cider vinegar is very effective. Although it is acidic in nature, apple cider vinegar helps alkalize your body when it has become too acidic. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of lukewarm water. Mix in a little honey to improve the taste as well to enhance the health benefits. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of this health tonic daily. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is highly alkaline in nature and it can help balance your body's pH level. Also, it works as a natural antacid to neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from related discomforts. Mix together 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 1 cup of water to it and drink it immediately in one sitting. Do it once or twice daily. Number 3. Lemon water. Although lemon is an acidic fruit, when the juice is metabolized, it has an alkalizing effect on the body. This means lemon clears the body of excess acids and creates an alkaline forming state. Mix the juice of half of an organic lemon into a glass of lukewarm water. Add 2 teaspoons of raw honey and mix thoroughly. Drink this daily, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to flush your system. Number 4. Green leafy vegetables. Increasing the amount of fruits and vegetables you eat, especially raw green veggies, will help maintain a balanced pH level in your body. Green vegetables are some of the most alkalizing food you can find. Consume plenty of green vegetables like kale, broccoli, cucumbers, spinach, collards, green peppers, lettuce, artichokes, celery, and green asparagus. Number 5. Stay hydrated. A well-hydrated body helps keep excess acid moving through your system. Also, proper water intake aids the elimination of toxins and other waste products through the digestive tract. Drink high-quality purified water. Also, eat fruits and vegetables that have high water content, such as watermelon, cucumbers, celery, and so on. Number 6. Chew your food properly. Though not a remedy, this lifestyle tip goes a long way towards fixing an acidic body. Always chew your food thoroughly instead of just gulping it down. Chewing the food properly helps correct low stomach acid and thus helps balance the pH level in your stomach.